Okay, bye. We
6, 7, walk up, down.
Ow!
I have a secret. It's actually about to.
Here we go. Are you ready?
I don't think you guys understand how excited I am for this particular video. I had the full-on intention of doing my dance, drama school, drama college, performing arts school, musical theatre college, whatever you want to call it. I want to do these vlogs. Well, I kind of needed to get into the school first. And she made it. And I want to make it clear from the jump that at Bird you can't film classes purely because of that, which I completely understand. You're there to train, you're there to focus on everything going on. Obviously there are so many new rules with the COVID. Here's the tea, honey, here's the tea. So
Here's the motherfucking tea.
So this vlog is basically my first few weeks as a COVID Bird performing arts student. Could my name get any longer? It is short and snappy, but it's been what's going on. I've tried to get as much as possible and just ease myself into this series that I'm creating. No, I'm not focusing, but it's 4:58. I've got my honey lemon and green tea ready to go, and I just need to get ready. Like, I'm so nervous. Like, this doesn't feel real. Right, this is not the best angle, but it is 6:09. I'm on my way to the station. Just thought I'd update everyone. I'm kind of scared my camera's gonna get stolen, so I'm gonna put you away. Hi.
Hi.
All right, guys, we're very excited. So good.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
I'm Holly.
I'm Mia.
My name's Cheryl. My name's Katie. My name's Paige, and together we are.
We're on our first day at
Amazing.
I'm so excited.
So underrated.
Yeah, I mean, we've done 3 lessons.
We've done 3 lessons and it was amazing.
Yeah, we were put in the other building. Didn't make the cut. No, it's just because of Corona.
It's so big.
It's so big, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we actually got the best room, I think.
Yeah.
Group 3 is the group to be in.
Yeah, group 3 is the one guy stood about everyone else. Yeah, so we just went Costa and we're taking pictures by the sign.
Oh yeah.
Okay, bye, see you tomorrow. Everyone's like, where, because we've had to mute ourselves through singing because they don't want to like overpower Zoom. So in 9 minutes, I have tap, and I was injured earlier on this year.
I can't believe you jinxed it. I didn't mean to jinx it.
So I am very, excuse my dog, she be annoying me as well. So I'm very, very excited for this one. I've only had 1 dance class in the past 2 days. It's been like voice acting, MT ensemble, singing ensemble. So, oh sis, be connecting.
Done now.
We've done this last time. With Jazz. That was good.
I mean,
Jazz was for many reasons.
I mean, we did a stretcheroo.
Yeah, we're about to have another one.
Oh well, my secrets.
I have a secret.
It's actually about and we've got limbering next. Yeah. I'm nervous. Not gonna lie. Considering we already had a pretty intense stretching of fitness. But we didn't wake up. Starts now.
You want to hear me roar?
We'll do some 12:30 and we'll do 5.
We'll do some semi-super.
But we get to like 15 minutes between our classes.
We do need to go out soon.
That will be in a vlog.
Can we actually please?
Yeah. Because we all finish at 6.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, your sister's birthday!
Alright, bye guys, we'll talk to you after.
Oh, you did not.
Oh, Holly looks tall for one.
That was very
Look how pale I look.
We have just had contemporary.
Are we actually?
That was really bad. Don't keep that in. Don't keep my little thing in. I didn't mean to do that.
And she's recording. Yeah, go.
Oh, we're taking a picture.
It is Dear Fun in the
what?
the merch. So guys, what have you thought? We're actually we're in the studio today.
We're not in the little
Can you
building.
just get out of there? Like,
Ow! I got that. Look quite good looking. Oh my god.
Strong tackle.
But you will be at the end of the calls because you've got dedication.
In a couple months.
Lucy baby, what you got? How are you finding this first week? Go.
right.
Oh, here she goes.
I got these patches like 2 years ago, 3 years ago on my top, and I got them and they were too small for me. So I took them up and got the next size up. And they were
This is really good quality footage we've got right here.
I'd already sent my hair back, so I wasn't going to send my hair back. So now I'm touching something.
People say places to be.
First we're done.
Yeah,
We're done off, but no, I want to be in it.
Done. Oi, lads and lasses. We're on to week 2 at Bird College. It's the first full week without introductions and everything, and it's the last week of this timetable.
For anyone out there with an injury, Lucy, stretch it out or it's going to come back.
Day 1, week 2.
Week 2, day 6. Day 1 of week. Yeah, but it is day 6.
Tulsa, Oklahoma. It has been interesting.
No! You've just had acting. Just ordered some McDonald's.
When's it coming?
11:50.
God, do you think I have enough time to pee?
Yeah, go. Oh my god, guys, we had to walk through extraterrestrial rays.
Can I do this? Insert the clip here. It's a motorcycle.
Is that
he or she?
Is it him? It's Deliveroo, they like.
Oh, he didn't say.
A mukbang.
Mukbang.
So we got.
Did they not put in my... This is why we got in.
Name Danny DeVito.
I saw it, Music was better when Zayn there.
Yeah.
No,
but I didn't change what.
But I loved Zayn, unpopular opinion.
Like the long hair, though.
Oh, he's so beautiful,
He's so gorgeous. Look at- Wait, what do you think about
Liam's.
No.
Niall.
No.
Zayn.
You sick. She was like, why would you say that?
Danger.
I'm sorry.
Mystery.
Louis and Harry.
Oh, the fan fiction.
Oh, cause she is the one who cause me. Get that staccato, hit every note.
Alright. Alright. Where you lay, I could stay right here, but
Although I was just carrying my debit card to you.
who's gonna be the first to say goodbye? Oh. Oh. 2, 1. We're commuters. Do you recommend commuting?
You know what? I don't even mind it.
It's not that bad.
If you find
If you've got a good commuting buddy.
I only commute on my ones for 40 minutes, 50 minutes. And then
we
and then I'm basically already at Bird when she's there. I'm already at
honestly, we feel like we're there.
another person
Hey,
for a vlog.
say hi.
It's a video.
Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Whilst I'm doing a little stretch before bodycon, just thought I'd check in. It's Monday. I am so tired.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down. all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving right.
You've got to do it one more time. You can do it. Push it through. She's still smiling at me. Look at that beautiful smile. Yes, good, good, good. Wait. Go on, Rihanna. You've got this. Come on, girl. Yes, push through it. Yes. Hey, let's go.
So I'm currently on my way to my one-to-one singings. I was so stressed, but I think we're all good. We're all good. I just need to breathe. But do you know what? We're feeling positive. I'm glad to be at college today. I haven't been here all week. I've been on Zoom, so yeah, it's gonna be good to be back in the building.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around.
So we're doing our 2-hour lecture.
In this hot stuffy room.
Yeah.
I'll open the window once again.
Commuting issues.
So,
Okay.
5, 6, 7. We'll do 5, 6, walk away.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, walk up, da. Hi!
Do you like YouTube or anything?
Yeah, I'm doing. We've just had the most horrible, not horrible, but a real awakening, guys.
You
We
have
needed
to
it.
send. How did we go from here?
Ba da 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 da. You can do it by yourself.
Oh, we started already today. Yeah, you already started.
It already
She
came.
said walk away.
Walk away.
It's after this. That. Yeah.
What did you
Thursday, done lads. Thursday.
Why
Why do you always say? You'd pay for a new one, hun.
No, I need more money. I just have to like say I'm sorry.
currently 7:26.
And we're leaving, and the cleaners are here. And so, guys, how do you find today?
This mask is really tang, but when you're wearing makeup, it's just not the one.
That's not what I asked.
Rude. I love the tap.
Tap was really good.
But I couldn't concentrate. Your face is just too gorgeous. To
Go on,
concentrate.
lady. So I didn't get any footage today because we had so much going on. Like, we were in a studio again today, which is annoying that I didn't get anything in the studios. And we just had a lot, like, we had a lot to take in, a lot of like changes with all our lessons. So it is the end of week 3 and I can't lie to you, I'm absolutely loving it now. Now that we're getting into the full swing, oh my god, I can't stress enough how insane that it has been. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Dance School Diaries.